What's up, guys? It's Matt from Hashtag Cash Hacks. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to this series, Saving Money series. One big place where people spend a lot of money is on their vehicles, right? Whether it's maintenance, repairs, normal wear and tear, your insurance, your car payment, the lease payment, whatever it is. So that's one area where a lot of people can really save some money if you have, some tools and a little bit of know-how and maybe some YouTube videos. So that's what we're going to be focusing on a lot in this series, is how to save money when it comes to your car. But also we're going to be talking about some other topics as far as saving and investing your money goes. So when you talk about maintaining your vehicle or fixing something specific, you're usually talking about taking it to a mechanic or a specialist or interior, whatever it happens to be, and they're going to charge you anywhere from $75 an hour to $175, sometimes over $200 an hour, depending on the brand of vehicle you have, what type of work you need to have done, if it requires specialty equipment, also how professional the mechanic or the shop is. If they have all the certifications, if they really know what they're doing, or if they may cause you more problems in the long run, so that's one of the areas that we're going to be trying to save some money, showing you how to do some minor repairs and maintenance on your vehicle without taking it to somebody and you know what they're going to charge you. So as you can see, I got my South East Motor shirt on. So I'm not a professional, I'm not a mechanic. I'm just going to be sharing with you guys some tips and tricks of stuff that I've learned over the years, buying and selling cars, renting cars, just being in the industry in general. So I hope you guys learned something. I hope you enjoy the content. And if you have any requests for anything specific that you guys want to see, leave it in the comments, and we may make a video about it. So let's go ahead and get into it.